Welcome to ApronOps, where creativity meets culture. From Kenyan recipes to hand-on DIY projects, we break things down step by step so you can learn, create, and enjoy. Let's dive in. Today, I'll show you how to iron trousers quickly and neatly. Lay the trouser flat on the iron board and make sure they are clean and slightly damp for best results. So you are going to start with the waist parts and pockets, where you shall press firmly to smooth out the creases, and then you move to the legs, where you shall align the seams and press from top to bottom on straight strokes. So for a sharp crease, you fold the leg along the seam and press firmly down the front. And finally, after finishing, you shall hang the trouser immediately to keep them crisp, and that's it. Knit trouser in minutes. So let me show you all those steps. Thanks for joining ApronOps. If today's project inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. Drop your ideas in the comments. Your feedback shapes what we do next. Until then, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep your apron ready.